Pumping breast milk is a game changer for new moms, giving you flexibility while ensuring your baby gets the best nutrition. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of pumping, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to pump breast milk effectively, including the best equipment recommendations and storage tips. Understanding pumping. First, let's talk about why you might want to pump. Pumping allows you to build a stash of milk for times when you're away from your baby or need a break. It can also help increase your milk supply. Remember, every mother's experience is unique, so find what works best for you. Choosing the right equipment. Now, let's discuss equipment. There are a few options when it comes to breast pumps. 1. Manual pumps. Great for occasional use and travel. They're compact and cost-effective. 2. Electric pumps. Ideal for regular pumping sessions. Look for a double electric pump to save time. 3. Hands-free pumps. Perfect for multitasking. These allow you to pump while doing other tasks. Make sure to choose a pump that fits your lifestyle and needs. And don't forget about accessories like breast milk storage bags and a cooler bag for on-the-go storage. How to pump. Next, let's talk about how to pump effectively. Here are some tips. 1. Find a comfortable spot. Choose a quiet, comfortable place where you can relax. Stress can affect your milk flow. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink water before and during pumping to help maintain your milk supply. 3. Use a warm compress. Applying a warm compress to your breasts before pumping can stimulate a letdown. Aim to pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk flow slows down. Remember to switch sides for even drainage. Storing breast milk. Now, let's discuss how to store your pumped milk properly. 1. Storage containers. Use BPA-free bottles or storage bags designed for breast milk. 2. Labeling. Always label your containers with the date and time of pumping. 3. Storage guidelines. Freshly pumped milk can be stored in the fridge for up to 4 days. It can be frozen for up to 6 months, but for best quality, use it within 3 months. Cleaning equipment. Finally, don't forget about cleaning your equipment. Wash all parts that come into contact with milk with warm, soapy water after each use. You can also sterilize them once a day for added safety. Pumping can feel overwhelming at first, but when you use the right tools and tips, you'll find your rhythm in no time. Remember, every drop counts, and you're doing an amazing job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own pumping tips in the comments below. Happy pumping!